The 2014 Porsche 997 Turbo by camshaft. We've already seen the new generation Porsche 911 Turbo, but the previous 997 is still enjoying lots of attention from tuners. German tuner Camshaft decided to join Porsche's 50th anniversary of the 911 lineup and came up with a pretty cool tuning kit for the 997 Turbo. Most part of the tuning job was made under the hood, where the tuner installed larger intercooler, air filter, fuel pressure regulator and remapped the ECU. There is also a new exhaust system with Sportkats and headers. The result is a final output of 650 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. With the extra 170 horsepower, the 997 Turbo will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, up to 124 miles per hour in another 6 seconds. The sprint from 62 to 186 miles per hour will be made in 20.3 seconds. Click past the jump to read more about the Porsche 997 Turbo by camshaft. Porsche 997 Turbo by camshaft in detail. No major updates were made on the exterior. All the tuner did was to apply some very cool foliation in a combination of light blue and orange. The price for this foil is €2,800, $3,600 at the current exchange rates. For another €700, $900, the foliation will also be applied to the door sills and visible edges. The tuner is also offering a new set of Oz Ultraligera wheels combined with a height-adjustable system from Bilstein. For the interior, the tuner is offering upgraded bucket seats.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.